Once upon a time, in a small green meadow near a sparkling blue lake, there lived a young tortoise named Timmy. Timmy was different from other tortoises in his village. While most tortoises enjoyed spending their days eating grass and basking in the sun, Timmy dreamed of exploring the world beyond the meadow. One sunny morning, Timmy woke up and looked at the tall mountains far away. "I want to climb those mountains," he thought. "I want to see what's on the other side." Timmy shared his dream with his best friend, Bella the bunny. Bella laughed. "Oh, Timmy, you're too slow to climb a mountain. It will take you forever." But Timmy didn't feel discouraged. "I may be slow, but I'm strong, and I never give up," he replied with a smile. Preparing for the journey, Timmy spent the next few days preparing for his journey. He collected fresh leaves to eat, filled a small bag with water from the lake, and said goodbye to his family. "Be careful, Timmy," said his mother. "The world outside the meadow can be dangerous." "I will, Mother," Timmy promised. "I will return with amazing stories to share." With his bag strapped to his back, Timmy began his journey. He walked slowly but steadily, enjoying the sights around him. The trees swayed gently in the wind, and birds sang cheerful songs. The first challenge: after a few hours, Timmy reached a small river. The water was clear and shallow, but for a tortoise, it was still a challenge to cross. As Timmy stood by the river, a kind fish popped its head out of the water. "Hello, little tortoise. Where are you going?" the fish asked. "I'm going to climb the mountains," Timmy said proudly. "But I need to cross this river first." The fish smiled and said, "Hold on to my tail, and I'll help you cross." Timmy grabbed the fish's tail tightly, and the fish swam slowly, guiding him to the other side. "Thank you, kind fish," Timmy said gratefully. "Good luck on your journey, Timmy," the fish replied before disappearing into the water. The second challenge: Timmy continued his journey and soon reached a dark forest. The trees were tall and blocked out the sunlight, making it hard to see. As he walked cautiously, he heard a rustling sound. "Who's there?" Timmy asked nervously. Out of the bushes came a friendly squirrel named Sammy. "Don't worry, I'm here to help," Sammy said. "This forest can be confusing, but I know the way out. Follow me." Timmy followed Sammy through the twisting paths of the forest. Along the way, Sammy shared stories about the forest animals, making Timmy laugh. After a while, they reached the edge of the forest. "Thank you, Sammy," Timmy said. "Anytime, Timmy. Keep going. You're doing great," Sammy replied, waving goodbye. The third challenge: finally, Timmy reached the foot of the mountains. The path was rocky and steep, and the wind was strong. "This will be the hardest part of my journey," Timmy thought, but he didn't give up. Step by step, Timmy climbed the mountain. The rocks were slippery, and his legs felt tired, but he kept going. Along the way, he met a wise old owl sitting on a tree branch. "Why are you climbing the mountain, young tortoise?" the owl asked. "I want to see what's on the other side," Timmy replied.